How to add Tezos wallet address to TrustWallet and easily receive these crypto token on your wallet. This is very easy to do, so follow my steps and let's start. First of all, you have to scroll the main page of TrustWallet a little bit. After that, click on the button Add Tokens, and as you can see, there are a lot of different cryptos here. However, to add Tezos, you have to write Tezos in the search bar. Then click here and finally click Done. So now, Tezos is on the main page of our TrustWallet app, and to receive this crypto from someone, you need to click on it. After that, click Receive. Also, one of the ways of receiving Tezos crypto is to show this QR code to a person who is going to send you this crypto token. But also, you can get Tezos by copying your Tezos wallet address and setting the amount of tokens you wanna receive. Like and subscribe Softpro. We make easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.